What's up? Fresh is our turn, baby.
Neither.
Yeah, that's his air. Yeah, that's crazy.
Funny.
My God.
Nigga, I'm glad that airbag didn't put you in your.
Hey, that's exactly what I said.
So my homeboy done crashed on the side of the damn highway. Car done got away from him.
No, Mustang is fucking worse.
Yeah.
Mustang would have caused me to do this.
Rogue, I need for everybody to clear out. They need just one person stay on scene with Bryce. Everybody else needs to go to a meetup location. It's not going to look good with everybody being out there.
Hey, I was just thinking that too. You heard ooh, that was Nick. But shit, it wasn't weekend.
What the fuck happened? I have no idea if Bryce got in an accident, but everybody who's on scene with Bryce needs to leave. One person stay. Joe Sean or Lieutenant, one of you two. Twan, you out there also. One of you three, if y'all can stay on scene, everybody else needs to go.
This shit is crazy.
Prada hood. Prada hood. So it's not ignorant. All you gotta do is Prada hood.
Hey, pop the hood.
Bro, first of all, everything in that bitch is busted. The intake is lifted up.
Hey.
I'm not gonna get the shit off of there, bro.
I'm telling you to play. Never mind.
I just hope the police don't start thinking, you know, we was on no bullshit, because we was already at a meetup location and my homeboy was coming to us and he just crashed. Car just got away from him. He crashed on his own, but I think I'm ready to get the fuck out of here. My car's parked on the other side of the highway. We flew down this bitch to get down here. Running across the highways and shit. Yeah. The airbags didn't even go off in the car.
Bryce play baseball?
Is Bryce to play baseball, yo?
Hell yeah, y'all got
Yeah,
My heart still beating fast as a bitch. Cause all I kept thinking, John Shaw go flip over around the net.
What you doing in my unit? My unit down the street.
this bitch is
Then I see
old.
that fucking police truck come behind me. I'm like, oh. Yeah, we seen him. We was like, I say, I got y'all. Y'all ain't good. I got you. Come on.
They
Ain't
good.
Nick and them about to pull up? No. Make sure, hey,
No, they put me at this.
Crazy for that headlight was perfect. Might as well skip.
Anybody need a headlight?
That's crazy.
Check it out.
Now we gotta get back across the highway.
Hope ain't no dickhead cop give me a ticket.
You left your hazards on there.
Fuck no. I just jumped out and started running. That shit crazy. I can't even believe all this shit happened tonight. That's what make. I thought he just came straight up and crashed into the pole.
Down there, the whole wall is shattered. Hit that bitch hard.
Thank God. Oh, they gonna feel it tomorrow. It's just that drilling and shit still. Wait till tomorrow.
And then the bad part is, the insurance company gonna say he's at fault.
Oh, he definitely at
Because he
fault.
lost control of his car. That's what they
Nigga,
got me with just hitting the fucking pothole and tearing my car.
is that what he told him? Because I would have told him
He
goddamn
said,
deal.
no, he said it spun out when he was coming around the bend.
I would have told him it was a deal. Yeah, something. You gotta use some type of.
He got hella tickets, so
Oh yeah, they definitely gonna do that.
he got hella tickets.
He admitted and said he just spun out and he geeking. I would have said another car.
He gave him
Serious.
32 tickets.
Yeah, he geeking.
He got no court, y'all. Must be good. He don't have a license on him.
Oh, I always keep a copy in my
That's why
glove
he asked for his
compartment.
name. He didn't have his license.
See, I thought they had said that. No, I thought he said he only had one muscle here. That's the difference.
That shit say must have been. Because the officer said all of them must have paid. You got 2 payable fines. 2 payable fines.
Yeah.
Oh, now I gotta get back to us. Oh, you don't walk fast. You can't
I'm fucking short.
No, we only right here. Oh, all right.
Wait.
My car.
Oh, that's easier. Okay. I'm fucking.
Yeah. Shooting a movie. You see the other guy said, "What's happening here?" I said, "We're shooting a movie." Oh shit. Look at my baby. Alright man, I'll check in with y'all. Everybody made it out safe.